Khushi and today's video is on the morning yoga flow for calmness and peace. It's a beautiful morning and a beautiful place. So now let's go ahead and start this video. Mind. Think of the wonderful things that you are blessed with. Now we will perform sun salutation in our own way. Get on your arms, lift your back, and with a gentle flow, you will perform the sun salutation. You will perform this 3 times with a proper balance and conscious breathing. Slowly get down on the mat and get in the position of the cobra stretch. Extend your shoulders and your back. Look forward, close your eyes, and breathe properly. Try to feel the inner satisfaction. Try to feel the satisfaction of your heart and your mind. Feel the coordination of your body. Rise and get on your hands. Keeping one leg on the top of the other, try to balance this position with one arm. If you're a beginner, then balance this position with 2 arms. Slowly get on your knees. Look forward, keeping your back straight. Think of the beautiful aspects of life. Always remember, yoga isn't about the competition with your body. You are doing this for inner satisfaction and happiness. Close your eyes. Focus on the various points in your body. Begin to meditate and have a good day. Always remember, the magic begins with yourself. I hope you guys liked today's concept of satisfaction, peace, and inner strength. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video guys. Keep smiling and stay happy.